Guys, we're big guns. I got the Zippo hand warmer. Take that off. Pull the little catalytic converter off. Well, that's what I think it's called. Put your Zippo fluid in. Oops, give me 1 minute, guys. Once you light it, I'm not gonna light it right now, but once you light it, this will glow warm. Then you put it in your little Zippo bag. All it needs is a bottle of Zippo fluid. Comes with this little measuring cup. This is the 6-hour hand warmer. Gonna do a couple times with it using this, and then after, once I figure if I like it or not, then I'll let you guys know my opinion of it. Thank you so much for watching. God bless.